This is a new 2013 Ford Expedition, powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, trailer hitch, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Borman Motor Company is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 470 West Bouts, Las Cruces, New Mexico 88005.